Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka 4 and 5. Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Arjuna said, "Later was your birth, and prior was the birth of Vivaswan, son. How am I to understand that you taught this yoga in the beginning?"
Chapter 4, Shloka 4. Arjuna uvacha aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvatah kathamedat vijaniyam tvamado proktavaniti.
The blessed Lord said, "Many births of mine have passed as well as yours, O Arjuna. I know them all, but you know them not, O Pranatapa, scorcher of foes."
Chapter 4, Shloka 5. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava charjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam veta parantapa.
Chapter 4, Shloka 4 and 5. In an earlier shloka, Arjuna noticed an inconsistency in Lord Krishna's statement and so expressed it for clarification. Arjuna said, Krishna had claimed that he had taught this yoga to Lord Sun at the time of creation. Arjuna considered him to be his contemporary, having a definite date of birth. Therefore, how could he have taught this yoga to Lord Sun at the time of creation? Hence, this misunderstanding, which is cleared by the author of Gita, Vyasa, through Lord Krishna's own words. Shloka number 5. Lord Krishna explains to Arjuna how he, in his real nature, was infinite and that he had himself at the time of creation taught Brahma Vidya to Lord Sun. To understand the above explanation, it is necessary to have an understanding of the Vedantic concept of creation, which is not creation of anything new but an unmanifest coming to manifestation. It is the expression of the Sattva, Rajas and Tamas as unactivity, activity and inactivity respectively. When the infinite reality functions through unactivity, we have the concept of the God principle. Lord Krishna, in all freedom, takes upon himself the sheaths of matter, envelopments, and sports as the immortal among the mortals. He never himself forgets his own complete divine nature. The ego has lived through many embodiments before it takes up the present one, and fortunately forgets the entire past except a distinct flavor thereof called vasanas. Lord Krishna, on account of his omniscience, knows both his own and Arjuna's earlier changes in existence. Hence he says, I know them all while you know them not. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.